Hello students, how are you? Students, yesterday I told you the summary of the lesson. Today I am going to explain first part of the lesson. Now listen. Nelson Mandela has become South Africa's first black president after more than 3 centuries of white rule. Students, Nelson Mandela was black South African who became first black president of South Africa. Before that, South Africa was ruled by being ruled by white persons, and white persons ruled South Africa for 300 years. And during the reign of white persons, black persons were being oppressed, were being tortured by white persons. Mr. Mandela's African National Congress Party won 252 of the 400 seats in the first democratic elections of South Africa history. And Nelson Mandela's African National Congress Party won 252 seats out of 400 in the first democratic elections of South Africa history. You see, in African Parliament there are 400 seats, and Nelson Mandela's party, African National Congress Party, won 252 seats and became the major party in African Parliament and got success in forming the government. The inauguration ceremony took place in the Union Buildings Amphitheatre in Pretoria today, and the inauguration ceremony took place in the Union Buildings Amphitheatre in Pretoria, attended by politicians and dignitaries from more than 140 countries around the world. And in that inauguration ceremony, the politicians and dignitaries from more than 140 countries attended that inauguration ceremony because Nelson Mandela invited them. Because Nelson Mandela wanted to show the world that he would never follow the rule of apartheid system, and he wanted to show the world that he would respect all the persons, even they are whites, even they are blacks, or even they are of any color, of any race. Never again will this beautiful land experience the oppression of one by another, said Nelson Mandela in his address. And in his speech, Nelson Mandela declared that nobody would be oppressed by any other person in South Africa. Nobody would never be oppressed by any other person in South Africa. Jubilant scenes on the streets of Pretoria followed the ceremony, with blacks, whites and colored celebrating together. And the joyous scenes on the streets, and all the people were happy. And joyous scenes on the streets of Pretoria followed the ceremony, with blacks, whites and colored celebrating together. And whole Pretoria, the people of Pretoria were very happy and they were celebrating the inaugural ceremony. They were celebrating the inaugural ceremony because white persons, colored persons, black persons were celebrating together. Means they were united that time. All the persons were joyous. All the persons were happy. More than 10,000 South African men, women and children of all races sang and danced with joy. And more than 1 lakh South African men, more than 1 lakh South African men, women and children of all races, even they are white or black or colored, they were enjoying the inaugural ceremony. They were singing and dancing happily. Now students, I think you will have understood the meaning of this part of the lesson. I request you to read and write the explanation in your fair notebook, and tomorrow I will explain next part of the lesson. Thank you and have a nice day.